No one likes the flu. You have the flu. Let's go to the hospital. I guess so. This is your prescription. You can get it at the pharmacy downstairs. Thank you, doctor. After eating, take your medicine and rest. Remember to keep warm and drink plenty of water. Thank you, doctor. Come here, eat chicken soup, then take your medicine. Thanks, Mom. Oh, I hate the flu. Good morning. Are you feeling better? Look like the flu is still there. Would you like tomato soup for breakfast? Thanks, Mom. The flu makes me feel uncomfortable. No one likes the flu. The circus. Mom, the clowns look so colorful. Do you like clowns? Yes, I like them. That's the magician, isn't he? That's right. A white dove's in his hat. How can he do it? He is amazing. They're so talented. They are like Spider-Men. Wow, he's walking on rope up in the air. The circus is so much fun. Why is that elephant here? It should be in the forest or its home. I think that man and the elephant are best friends. Really? You're right, Mom. He takes good care of the elephant. Yes. An unhealthy boy. It's almost time to eat. Don't snack. It's okay, Mom. Lunch is steak. I like steak. There is also a great salad for lunch. I hate salads. What happened? Tom's fat. He just eats meat. He doesn't like fish, vegetables, and fruit. Let's make delicious fish, salad, and fruit tonight. What if he refuses to eat? Cook is a little late. When he is hungry, whatever he eats is delicious, and I'll hide all of the snacks. Is dinner ready yet? After 15 minutes. I'm hungry. Do you see snacks anywhere? I don't know. I hate fish. Just try it. How is it? Not bad. I like it. Ferris wheel. Are you ready for the Ferris wheel? I'm ready. Maybe. Let's go. Dad, you must fasten your seatbelt. Oh, I forgot. Our seat is pink. It's beautiful. I'm glad you like it. We are going up higher and higher. I know. It's starting to get scary. Dad is afraid of heights, right? Now you know. Don't be afraid. I'm here. Let's hold on to the metal bar. You'll be safe.
All right.
Look below, Dad. Everything is small. Our city is beautiful, and the sky is beautiful too.
You're right. It seems that I'm no longer afraid. More money.
Mom, today is my payday.
I remember. $10.
I'm 12 years old. I'm older. I also need more money.
No deal.
I only have $15.
What are you doing?
I'm sweeping.
Oh,
I want an extra $5 for my weekly pay period.
no, honey.
Let me wash the dishes.
Thank you.
We have fried eggs and bacon for breakfast.
Okay, I'll give you $15 per week.
Thanks, Mom. Merry Christmas.
Hi, do I know you?
No, but I know you. This is for you.
But why?
Christmas. Everyone gets a gift.
Thank you.
Do you like it?
I love it.